Hey guys, it's Candy coming to you with another video. I'm holding my camera selfie style actually. But today I am about to remove my braids. They are going 7 weeks, you guys, believe it or not. And these braids held up so nicely. Yeah, I'm actually so in love with these braids, guys. One of my very favorite styles in a long while. Oh, here you go. Yeah, so I am about to remove them. I'm still loving them, guys. The hair, held up super duper well. I did a video at the about the 3 or 4 week mark, showing you guys, how the hair was holding up. And believe it or not, it is 7 weeks in and the hair is still doing what it's doing. And I treat this hair so badly and it still is so very faithful. So yeah, my hair has grown out a lot, as you can see. Yeah, super duper grown out. Time for me to remove them. And so I got a request to show you guys how I remove them, and so I'm gonna honor that request by just filming it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove the ones in the back, and then when I get to the front where you guys have a better vantage point, where you can see up close and personal, I will, turn the camera back on and show you guys that. But look at this hair, you guys. Yeah, anyway, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I have removed this much hair from my head. I still have a good ways to go. I'm not exactly in the front yet, but I'm just gonna start removing the front so that I can show you guys how we do it. Alright, so this is our braid, and of course if you guys watch the installation video, you would better understand the removal process. So if you have not yet seen how I installed these crochet passion twists individually, then go and check out that video so you will understand what's going on. So my actual hair is individually braided and interwoven into the braid. All right, so what I want to do is first of all find, and it's pretty much by feeling, I'm trying to find where my own hair is within the braid, and this is it, and it's interlocked into the twist or the braided portion of the twist. So I'm just pulling that out like such. Yeah, and then once that is done, I'm going to find the loop, and just by pulling on it I can already tell that that was where the loop is, and just pull my hair out of the loop and slide the braid away. 1, 2, 3. And then, of course, undo my braid. All right, so let me show you again. All right. And guys, I really pushed this one in terms of the length of time that I wore the hair. Usually, even to my clients, I usually suggest not going past the 6-week mark. And it's for reasons like this. Your hair at the root can begin to lock, literally, because of the buildup on the hair at the root especially. It can cause the hair to get matted and locked at the root, and that's when you lose unnecessary amounts of hair. So For the most part, you can actually feel your hair different from the braiding hair. And once you locate that area where your hair is, then you just grab hold of it real quick. It's not always very easy to find, but once you find it, you just pull it out. And by pulling on the other side of the hair, easy. And I'm kind of trying to break up any buildup that might be at the roots, because then that would help me to easily release my hair from the braid. So I'm just kind of, kind of massaging it a bit. And I mainly depend on the feeling technique. My sense of feel is what I use. I'm not even trying to see where my hair is. I'm just feeling, and I can easily detect that this is my hair. Pull it through and just gently find the knot and slip it off. Yeah guys, and pretty much that's the process. And then once I do that, then I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen my braid. Some of these were not braided to the end, some of them were. So the ones that were twisted at the end, it's gonna be easier for me to undo those. These at the front, I believe I braided all the way down. So yeah, it's a process. You just have to be diligent and do what you gotta do. And of course, with the assistance of tail comb or a hair pin or a regular safety pin, you can remove the braid way quicker. And this is what I'm talking to you guys about, build up, especially in the front where you apply products like your edge control or your gel or whatever you use to, get your hair front looking decent, especially when the hair has begun to grow out. Usually you need the assistance of some type of product, taming product, to make the edges look nice. So this is my growth, you guys. Usually where you see that build up is where the hair has grown out to a point, and then there's the build up between where the braid starts and where your new growth ends. Yeah, so pretty much that's the process. I'm just gonna keep going. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And I'm just gonna keep going, and then when I'm done, I'll show you guys my hair. we go. Here we go. Ta-da! Guys, it was all done. It wasn't always easy. Some of them were a pain in the butt to remove, but that's how it is with everything. That's how it is with life. Some things will bring challenges, other things will be smooth sailing, but you just have to keep pushing through. So that's what I did, and I am all done, guys. And yeah, mission completion. Alright guys, so that's all I wanted to pop in today and show you. It's a super duper short video, but thank you guys nevertheless. I look super busted, but you already know what it is. We're family, so when you're dolled up or when you pop down, it's just what it is. It is what it is. So yeah guys, I'm definitely going to be undoing these braids now individually. Like I told you, going to be undoing these and giving my hair a good old wash, right? So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and definitely subscribe if you have not yet done so, and hit the notification bell so you can see when I post. And if you have not yet checked out my video showing how I installed these, definitely check that one out, because this was one of my favorite styles of all times, guys. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will catch up on the next one. Be safe, be blessed, and I love you guys. Bye.